Hello everyone, welcome back to Rhythm in English YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain the importance of the project works in our different subjects in our academic sessions. The project works that are given to us on the different topics regarding the different subjects available in our schools play a very important role in our lives. The project works on several subjects as per the topics, provide us with immense knowledge and help us to do researches on them strictly and very deeply, which enhances our vocabulary and our skill of doing experiments and researches. There are many languages, and in several languages there are various types of projects available. The various subjects like science, arts, commerce and mathematics provide us with immense technological values and technological studies. So it's very important for us to perform them and to perform the projects on them. Talking about English language, the project works that are easily available are the listening skills and writing skills, along with that the speaking skill tests. What about the speaking skill tests? The main attraction is that the students or the participants have to present a speech of more or less than 3 minutes on a specific topic given to them by the teachers or the judges. This enhances their quick thinking and they can plot their views and their thinkings on a separate topic to the judges. And this clarifies their conceptions on that topic more. And the listening skill test enhances their skill of hearing and remembering the things. Whenever a teacher or a judge dictates a certain text or a certain part of a text or story, the participants have to listen to it very carefully, and then the teacher asks a question and he or she has to answer it. Or the questions may be of MCQ type or subjective type. So this skill enhances their capability of remembering certain texts for a longer period of time, which enhances their capability of doing researches. And writing skills play the most important role in building their vocabulary and building their sentence formation skills. Sentence formation skills helps the students to establish their career and their performance on several levels. Various schools perform an annual session of writing skills, and this is very much appreciable. Writing skill is needed in each and every prospect of our life, starting from banking, accounts, interviews and etc. Writing skill is needed everywhere. Now coming to the English literature. What about English literature? English literature is such a subject which enhances the thinking capacity of the students, the creativity of the students. The students can give their 100% on their creativity. They can explain the things as per their knowledge and as per they understand the topics. The character sketches that are given to us, the students, by the teachers and the judges, play an important role in summarizing the whole story or the whole text that we read. When we read the whole story of 5 to 6 pages, we might get confused that what the theme of the story is. Now, doing a character sketch or making a summary of that story or poem, we can understand the key points, the theme of the story, and the main perspective of that story, what the author is actually trying to convey to us. This clarifies the student's memory, and he and she can remember the topic for a longer period of time. He or she doesn't need to remember the whole story for a particular time, but if he or she knows the theme of the story, he or she can clarify it, he or she can explain it, demonstrate and explain it thoroughly to anyone else. Now, coming to the science subjects. The science subjects are really very practical based subjects, and they need total practical sessions as well as projects. Coming to physics, the physics laboratory is available in every school. Most of the schools have their physics, chemistry and biology laboratories. The main perspective of these laboratories is to make the students practically influenced about the various gadgets available there. The microscopes, the Vernier calipers, the screw gauges, the reflection of lights, therapies, etc. They read about the reflection of light, but they don't know how the reflection of light occurs or how the spectrum is formed. So that's why there lies the importance of the labs. When the children or when the students perform their learned skills practically, they get to know the actual theorem or the actual plot of that thing. They can understand, yes, this is the screw gauge and this is the circular scale. They can identify the objects. They can know that what is important for which experiment. Such as chemistry, there are a lot of chemicals available in the world, and the students might get confused while reading such long names and such chemical formulae, etc. So, what should be done in order to make them clarify their thoughts? They have learned that hydrogen sulfate is having a rotten egg smell, but they have never smelt it. This there lies the chemistry labs, and they help the students to identify the smells of the gases, the colors of the gases, the flame tests, the reactions that occur, the balancing equations they all do, but what to do when it is practical? They need to learn it. And there lies the importance of projects. The projects help them to clarify these things. There are mainly these practical based projects available in the science streams, and this provides immense knowledge to the children. Now, coming to mathematics and computer applications. Computer applications is a broad subject and it has a lot of subjects available. And the computer labs also allow the students to perform their day-to-day lives, and they get accustomed to the various topics available. In the mathematics too, mathematics also have a broader aspect, and the laboratories there also perform their day-to-day activities and make them smoother. And in second languages, Bengali, geography and history, the projects are playing a very vital role. I hope that the importance of projects work on this student's life have been accomplished. Thank you. Thank you very much.